In the bustling city of Karachi, Pakistan, a young woman named Kausar Iqbal found herself drawn to the vibrant colors and intricate patterns of her native fashion. With a keen eye for detail and a passion for creativity, Kausar embarked on a journey that would redefine the fashion industry. Kausar's story is not one of overnight success. It is a saga of grit, determination, and a relentless pursuit of a dream. Kausar, as a young girl, she would often be found sketching designs and experimenting with fabrics and beads, thread, crystal. Her fascination with fashion was not just about the aesthetics. It was about the power of self-expression and the art of storytelling through fashion accessories and fashion design. Kausar's journey into the world of fashion officially began when she launched her own label. Her business model was simple, yet revolutionary. She wanted to create a brand that was not only fashionable, but also sustainable and ethical. She believed in the power of slow fashion, in creating pieces that were not just trendy, but also timeless, pieces that could be cherished for a lifetime. Her designs were a blend of traditional and contemporary. She drew inspiration from the rich cultural heritage of Pakistan, incorporating traditional embroidery techniques and patterns into her designs. Yet she also embraced modern silhouettes and trends, creating a unique fusion that was both stylish and culturally significant. Kausar's innovative approach to fashion did not stop at her designs. She was determined to create a business that was not only profitable, but also socially responsible. She trained and employed local artisans, providing them with fair wages and a platform to showcase their skills. She also used eco-friendly materials and practices, minimizing her brand's impact on the environment. In a world where fast fashion is the norm, Kausar's business model was a breath of fresh air. She proved that it was possible to create a successful fashion brand without compromising on ethics or sustainability. Her innovative approach to fashion has not only set a new trend in the industry, but also inspired countless others to follow in her footsteps. In summary, Kausar Iqbal's journey into the fashion industry is a testament to the power of creativity, innovation, and social responsibility. Her business model, built on the principles of slow fashion, sustainability, and ethical practices, has revolutionized the fashion industry. Her designs, a blend of traditional and contemporary, have redefined fashion trends, proving that style and culture can coexist. Her innovations extend beyond her designs. She has created a socially responsible business, providing employment to local artisans and adopting eco-friendly practices. Her commitment to sustainability and ethics has set a new standard in the fashion industry. Kausar Iqbal's story is not just about fashion. It's about the power of a dream and the impact of a single individual. It's about challenging the status quo and daring to do things differently. It's a story that continues to inspire and motivate, a story that has forever changed the face of fashion.